Hello, welcome to our presentation about workplace wellness, which was created by Candice Tafoya, Melissa Gonzalez, and Katharina Martinez. As we all know, work can be extremely stressful, and many times we fail to take care of ourselves. This can affect us in many different ways. In our presentation, we will be discussing how to maintain an internal locus of control, along with better ways to maintain a stress-free environment.
Working adults spend most of their time at work, more time than with family, more time than watching TV, even more time than they spend eating and sleeping. So it's no surprise that working in an environment where health and safety are a priority is one of the most important ways for people to stay healthy and happy.
Don't you hate it when small stresses and work pressures pile up over time and you start to feel like you're losing control? Next thing you know, you're lashing out at a colleague or friend or feel helpless and overwhelmed and suddenly lose all energy and motivation. That's called emotional hijacking and comes from the part of our brain that reacts with emotion. As a result, our decision-making skills, productivity, and effectiveness plummet. When our brains hit the panic button, reason goes out the window and our wallets, our careers, and our bottom lines suffer. Feeling that we are in control, that we are masters of our own fate at work and at home, is one of the strongest drivers of both well-being and performance. A 2002 study of nearly 3,000 wage and salaried employees found that greater feelings of control at work predicted greater satisfaction in nearly every aspect of life: family, work, relationships, creativity, sociability, and energy. People who felt in control at work also had lower levels of stress, work-family conflicts, and job turnover. The document you receive will provide an in-depth coverage of the 4 steps to regaining control. Number 1, conquering self-awareness to overcome stress and helplessness. Number 2, identifying aspects of a situation you have control over and which you don't. Number 3, positive benefits of accomplishing one small goal quickly and immediately. Number 4, how to become the master of our own fate. Studies show that simply believing we can bring about positive change in our lives increases motivation in job performance. Success, in essence, becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy.
Created using Powtoon.
One way of taking better care of ourselves is to improve what we eat by making healthier food choices such as vegetables, fruits, protein, whole grains, and dairy. Eat a colorful variety of vegetables and fruit. At least half of the food that you eat on a daily basis should be fruits and vegetables that are prepared without high amounts of added fat, sugar, or sodium. Vegetables can be incorporated into anything. Salads with a low-calorie dressing or squeezed lemon or lime on top is a healthy option for lunch. Soups, especially vegetable, is an excellent alternative in meal prepping for the work week. Have you ever tried guacamole on a carrot stick, piece of bell pepper, or a whole grain cracker or chip? Avocados are very high in nutrients and are considered a healthy fat. Displaying fruits and vegetables in your work area will encourage their selection. Keeping fruit nearby you as a go-to snack can keep unwanted pounds away. Baking smoothies at home and bringing them to work can give you a sweet snack in the afternoon. Almond or cashew butter is a great spread on fruit. Try apples with walnuts or bananas with pecans. You will get plenty of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy fats. Beans and legumes such as black beans or chickpeas are an excellent protein that can be meal prepped and taken to work throughout the week. Nuts are a great snack for a boost of energy to help you get through your day. Almonds or a little peanut butter on an apple is a great afternoon snack. Tuna and chopped celery is filling when paired with some wheat crackers. 6 crackers and 3 ounces of tuna have about 200 calories total. Or make tuna salad at home and put it on some whole grain bread or crackers for a healthy lunch filled with fiber, protein, and the omega-3 fatty acids that your body needs. Switch to whole grain bread, rolls, tortillas, pasta, quinoa, and rice as a part of healthful sandwiches, salads, mixed dishes, and casseroles, which can be meal prep for the week. Oatmeal is a great option for breakfast. If you have a salty tooth, eat whole grain crackers or chips with guacamole or add to salads for a crunchy addition. Believe it or not, popcorn counts as a whole grain because it is high in fiber. If plain popcorn sounds boring, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese or a few dashes of Tabasco sauce on top. Dairy is a great way to get needed nutrients. Greek yogurt with fresh fruit carries lots of calcium, protein, and beneficial probiotics. Another great snack added to Greek yogurt is pecans with a little honey. Cottage cheese with fruit is another easy option for a healthy workplace snack. Cheese and whole grain crackers or fruit will help keep you going throughout a stressful workday. Meal prepping and not eating out can save you a lot of money in the long run. You can use this towards a vacation or special items you have been wanting. The temptation to grab a burger or fries or a candy bar will be less when you have healthy food readily available at the workplace. If you do not have a refrigerator or a microwave, check to see if there are any funds available, or maybe you and your coworkers can pitch in and buy a small one, which will save everyone a lot of money in the long run. Frequent stretching keeps a proper blood and nutrient supply to the working muscles and tissues throughout the workday and prevents fatigue and discomfort. Sitting might be bad for the health of today's workers. Some health experts are increasingly warning that sitting for prolonged periods of time has a negative effect on the body. Hundreds of thousands of workers sit at a computer or desk all day long. Experts say it doesn't mean where the sitting takes place, at the office, at school, or in the car, in front of a computer, or in front of a television screen. It's the overall number of hours spent sitting that matters most. Inactivity increases the pressure on spinal discs by about 40% more than standing. As a result, the pelvic muscles become tight, and when a person stands after sitting for long periods of time, the body is pulled forward and off balance, causing stress to bones and muscles. Here are some stretches to help you in the office. Try some of these simple office stretches throughout the day to prevent or reduce stiffness and pain. Place one hand under your elbow. Lift your elbow and stretch it across your chest without rotating your body as you stretch. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. Relax and slowly return to the starting position and repeat with the other arm. To stretch the back of your upper arm and shoulder, lift one arm and bend it behind your back. Place the other hand on the bent elbow to help stretch your upper arm and shoulder. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, relax, and slowly return to the starting position. Repeat the stretch with the other arm. To stretch the muscles of your chest, place your hands behind your head. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, bringing your elbows back as far as possible. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. Relax and slowly return to the starting position. Repeat. To loosen stiff neck and muscle shoulders, try the chin tuck. Face straight ahead and lower your chin to your chest. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. You will feel tension in the back of your neck. Relax and slowly return to the starting position. Repeat. Face straight ahead. Turn your head to one side while keeping your shoulders straight. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. You will feel tension in the side of your neck and shoulders. Relax and slowly return to the starting position. Turn your head to the other side and repeat the stretch. To stretch the muscles along the side of your neck, face straight ahead. Tilt your head so you are moving your ear towards your shoulder. Do not bring your shoulder up to your ear. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. You will feel tension on the side of your neck. Relax and slowly return to the starting position. Tilt your head to the other side and repeat the stretch. To stretch your lower back, sit forward in your chair. Bring one of your knees towards your chest. Use your hands to grab the back of your thigh and gently pull it towards you. Keep your back straight, being careful not to lean forward. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. You will feel tension in your lower back and the upper part of your buttock. Relax and slowly return to the starting position. Repeat the stretch with the other leg. To stretch the front of your thighs, stand up straight, placing one hand on a chair or desk for stability. Grab one of your ankles or pant leg and bring it upward towards your buttock. Remember to maintain an upright position, keeping your back straight and your knees parallel to one another. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. You will feel tension in the front of your thigh. Relax and slowly return to the starting position. Repeat the stretch with your other leg. Being proactive and actively stretching will pay off. Healthy eating and stretching can reduce unwanted stress in your daily work routine. Since we spend 8 hours plus a day at work, it is vital that we are conscientious in maintaining our internal locus of control. This concludes our presentation. Thank you for watching.